Wow, you're probably thinking, just as I am, what in the world are these? Are they aliens? No. Are they UFOs? Nah. Jelly beans? No. They are actually cells, the basic structures of life. So you're probably wondering right now, what possibly could these cells be made of? Tell you what, let's build one and find out. My name is Temur, and today I shall take you with me through this whole wonderful journey of the cell. Right, so what do we need in order to build a cell? The first ingredient that we need is the cell membrane. This is the outermost layer of the cell. It also controls what goes in and out of the cell. Additionally, it holds the whole cell together. The second ingredient is the cytoplasm. This fills up most of the cell. What's inside the cytoplasm, you may ask? Well, there are certain enzymes that might prompt chemical reactions within the cell. And now it is time for the third ingredient, and that is the nucleus. This controls whatever the cell does. It kind of acts like the brain of the cell. And now it is time for the fourth ingredient. And this is the mitochondria. The mitochondria are powerhouses of the cell. They provide the necessary energy to the cell to carry out all the chemical reactions. Lastly, we have the fifth ingredient, which are the smallest structures known in the cell. They are the ribosomes. These are the protein-making factories within the cell. They make proteins such as enzymes, antibodies, even the proteins within your hair and your nails. So we have a total of 5 ingredients then. Number 1, the cell membrane. Number 2, the cytoplasm. Number 3, the nucleus. Number 4, mitochondria. And number 5, ribosomes. So with the help of these 5 ingredients, do you know what we've just created? We have managed to successfully create an animal cell. But I know what you're thinking. What would be your next question? Your next question would be that if these things make up an animal cell, then what are the things that make up a plant cell? Let's find out. So the plant cell also has those 5 ingredients that are present in the animal cell, except that there are some additional ingredients in the plant cell as well. Let's convert this animal cell into a plant cell. So what is the first ingredient that we need? The first ingredient that we need is the cell wall. This cell wall is made up of cellulose. It protects the cell and gives it a rigid shape. The second ingredient is this large sac, the vacuole. This contains the cell sap, which stores food in the plant cell. So now it's time for the third ingredient. You know what are these? Green jelly beans, you say? No. Let's pop them in and find out, shall we? These are called chloroplasts. They contain the green pigment chlorophyll that helps makes the plant's food and stores it in the form of starch. Alright, so in conclusion, what are the differences between plant and animal cells? So the plant cell has these 3 additional ingredients. Number 1, cell wall. Number 2, the cell sap vacuole. And number 3, chloroplasts. So today we studied the cell structure as well as the differences between the animal and the plant cell. I do hope that you enjoyed this journey today as much as I did. So see you in the next episode. This is Taimu Shukuri signing out.